Hello, we're doing day 22 of Ceri Griffiths. That's Ceri the Crafter. His challenge for July, which is Gely Postcard Play. I shall select a card from my pack. Getting easier and easier to shuffle as the quantity of cards drops down. Okay, that's today. Okay, I already know what I'm going to do with this because I was looking at it the other day and I thought, I wish that card would come out. So, looks like balloons to me. So I need to get something to go on the end of the balloons. Okay, so I've been through a National Geographic and cut out some hands that were holding things, so I'm going to pop them in there because they're going to be holding my balloons. I like that big one. I think I'm going to put that big one here. I have to tip it over that way, but that's alright. Before I glue them down, I've got my woodies here. So a few people have asked about these. So they're made by Stabilo, and they're called Woody. They look like a pencil, but they're actually a crayon. And well, they're like a Stabilo. They're made by Stabilo. They're like a Stabilo wall. They're water soluble, so you can blend them, and they're nice and big. They're over an inch, half an inch wide. So yeah, really good for doing stuff like this, like artwork. And as I said, they I don't know if I mentioned, they are actually made for kids. But yes, I know a lot of adults on YouTube actually use them. So I'm just going to go in with some of my woodies and just intensify some of the colours that are on here. I'm going to glue on the hands. I better use the art glitter glue for this. So I'll put the biggest one in first, and I'll probably, I'll trim it off after I've got it in there. I think I put that one in the corner there. It's a little bit like less contrast on it, so it's a little bit harder to see. So if I put it next to the lighter hand, then it's going to stand out more. I think I need to go around with something. Not that Yeah, a white pen. Whether that's going to work over the top of that. Oh yeah. This is a gel pen. I didn't think it would work over the top of the crayon. So this is number 22. Just had a thought about the number. You know, in bingo, 22 is 2 little ducks. I just thought about that. But I don't think I could draw 2 little ducks. My horse was bad enough. Although it was a sketchy horse. It wasn't meant to be realistic looking. You can tell it's a horse. Well, I think you can anyway. Just gonna see if I can get this white on here around the edge. This one is 2 and 2. Can I draw 2 little ducks? How does a duck look like? How do you make it not look like? Well, it looks a bit like a duck, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to have a go. So, if I go like that, and then down like that. Oops, his nose is a bit, he's big. Got a bit out of control there. Gonna put it up there. So 2 little ducks, 22. Let's just see if I can sort this poor deformed head out. No, made it worse. I like it. It's quirky. I like quirky. Okay, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo. Bye. See you for 23.